This video I'm showing you how you can send gift message on Facebook Messenger, and this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly what you need to do is you have to make sure that your Facebook Messenger app is up to date, and then open any of the chat in which you want to send gift message. Simply click on the chat box, and here you have to type any of the chat that you want to send as a gift message, and then click on the search icon in the right side of this chat box. Click on the search icon in this chat box, and you can see all these options. So you can see the first option, you have to swipe like this, and you can see this gift message. So click on this gift message in the most right side. Click on this gift message to send as gift. So that's it, that how you can send a gift message. Simply you have to type any of the message, and then click on the search button in this chat box, and then click on this gift message, and it will be sent as gift. So to open the gift message, you have to tap on the gift message to open it. You have to tap the gift message to open it. So that's it, that how you can send gift message on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. So if you want to delete this gift message, simply long hold any of the gift message, and then you can click on the remove button, and then you can click on the unsend, so that it will be unsend or remove from your gift message. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.